i35equipment.com. This is the John Deere 310K backhoe loader. A nice machine, runs, operates, and drives real good. Has all working front, rear, and side work lights, working turn signals as well, and windshield wiper. Full cab with good glass. It's a little over a 1 cubic yard front loader bucket and a 29-inch rear backhoe bucket. That backhoe bucket's like new condition. It's real excellent shape on the bottom. Looks like they barely dug with it at all. 5 teeth on it. Does have rear hydraulics, auxiliary hydraulics. Also, we have manual thumbs available that can be welded on before it goes out if you're interested in that. The thumb makes it real convenient for pulling trees, sorting scrap, loading rocks, moving things around. Be a great machine for the job site or the ranch. Welcome, you come look it over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to come to you so you can get a professional opinion. We are open by appointment only, though, so just give us a call to get on the calendar, so that way we can be here, unlock the gate for you, and have you welcome you to come out and look it over. We do ship equipment all over the country, so if you need a hauling quote, it shouldn't be a problem at all. Of course, this is a legal load, so getting it hauled to you should be pretty simple. Give us a call or fill out the form on the website. We'll share that address that you provide us with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back at the best rate that comes back to us. Of course, we welcome you to come pick it up or arrange for your own haul if you like. And our specialty here is consignment sales, so if you or someone you know has idle hay equipment that's just sitting around, give us a call or fill out the form on the website to learn more about our consignment sales service. We have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment, and we help you get your machinery sold. This machine does have the hydraulic outriggers to give you stability while you're digging. What I call wobble stick controls. Sounds to be running real good from here. We're gonna let him climb out the operator's seat while we take a look around, and we'll hop up in there after we check out the motor and check it out. This is that 29-inch bucket with the 5 teeth on it. Like I said, it looks to be in like new condition. Those teeth haven't really been utilized much, and the bottom of it's still super clean, not worn down. For your auxiliary hydraulics back here. All working work lights, like I said, front, rear, and the sides. 19.5 L-24 rear tires. Front are 11 L-16. This is a made in America machine. That loader bucket does have the bolts on cutting edge, so be in good shape. Just kind of looking at it from here. Looks like you could always flip it around. I don't think theirs has been utilized yet. No bullseye that I see. Hydraulic fluid is sitting good right between your two marks. Go ahead and hop up in the operator station and take a look around inside there now. Little factory John Deere rubber floor mat in case you need to take it out to get it washed. Get too muddy, too dirty in here. Turn signal button right here. This is your shifter, automatic, of course, for neutral, reverse, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 for different travel speeds. Brakes, throttle, tilt steering column. This button and this controller here, just going to run your loader bucket. If you push in right there, it's going to disconnect your drivetrain, so it's just going to put it in neutral. That way, really handy if you don't want to take it out drive or reverse, whatever. But you need to throttle it up to run your loader bucket up to give it some power. Work lights are all located right here. Horn, throttle. This throttle is utilized when you're operating the backhoe on it. Sitting at 2478.6 hours. HVAC control. It's got a little. This is your parking brake. This is for your auxiliary hydraulics. Little glove box here. So you can go ahead and spin this around. Another little storage box back here. And then it's got a foot pedal for your hydraulics right there. These are your hydraulic outriggers, and these are your what I call the wobble stick controls. Here's your layout for what the controls actually do here. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope this video was beneficial. We do welcome you to come look it over for yourself. And if you have any questions, just give us a call. Again, the phone number is 405-833-6437. See all the photos, all the specs, and the factory brochure on the website, along with our full and up-to-date inventory. www.i35equipment.com. Have a wonderful day.